Right, amazing. So we saw Ethereum actually bouncing off this area yesterday, and that was pretty amazing, pretty sick. We did have, this, some sort of a rectangle right there, and all you did is you pushed to the upside, came down, and I've told you that if you do actually come down to retest this level, that would be amazing. Okay, so you've done the retest, and it seems like you're still interested to move to that particular price target, which is going to be $2,500. An amazing entry can still be entered here with a stop loss down there for a 5.26%, and we're looking for a potential 52% move to the upside as well. So that would be amazing. Let's see. It's all a bump and run pattern right now, still in play, and it's doing quite good right now. We have a 50% potential move to the upside, and Ethereum has been doing quite good at the moment. And if that dominance is going to drop, I do highly reckon that you're going to be looking at this thing to actually move to the upside as well. So this is a stop loss that can actually be placed down there. And let's see what happens. It is what it is. It's on a journey to $2,500. Unless we don't come down here, then there could be a deeper retracement if we lose $1,552, and that would be a problem. So that's it for this Ethereum quick one. Let's move on to the next one, which is going to be Solana.